Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make tofu chicken nuggets. The recipe is super simple. You just need 4 ingredients and the deep frying oil. In the latter half of the video, I will show you how to make it without the chicken because I know that you wanted to know how to make it in that way. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thumbs up if you wanted to know more vegan recipe like this one. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Let's make the nuggets with chicken first. Here I'm using Momen-dofu cotton tofu. You want to drain very well, wrap with paper towels. Then place a heavy plate on top. You don't want to break it, so don't place too heavy stuff. Then leave for 30 minutes to press out the water. Now remove the paper towels. Now place all ingredients in a bowl. Mix well with your hand. Sometimes miso makes your hands very itchy, so you wanted to wear gloves just in case. Roll into small balls. I'm going to use bubu a la re for coating. These are so cute, but panko is good as well. Okay, now let's move on to the vegan nuggets. Now place all ingredients in a bowl. Mix well with your hand. Then roll into small balls. Deep fry them in oil for about 5 minutes until golden brown. When they are done, drain well. These are the vegan tofu nuggets. These are the tofu chicken nuggets. And the tofu chicken nuggets with coating. And now it's done. You can serve with tomato ketchup if you like. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
じゃあまずは豆腐だけビーガンを食べたいと思います。ほんと美味しいの。美味しいね。お味噌のコクでお肉がなくてもうまみたっぷりですごく美味しいです。野菜を切って入れてもいいし、ネギなんかね、玉ねぎとか長ネギとか入れるとすごく風味が出て、あと生姜とか入れるとすごく風味が加わって美味しいと思うので、自由にアレンジして作ってみてください。今度は豆腐と鶏肉のをいただきたいと思います。やっぱりベジタリアンじゃない人は鶏肉を入れた方がさらにコクが加わってうまみが加わって美味しいので美味しいと思います。でもね、豆腐だけでも十分美味しいのでどちらも美味しいです。そして衣をつけるとさらに美味しいんです。本当にこれは美味しいです。パン粉でもいいので衣がね、もし手間じゃなければつけてから揚げてみてください。衣なしでもね十分美味しいんですけど、比べちゃうとねやっぱり衣がある方が美味しいです。すんごい美味しい。これね、ほんと話題のレシピにならないかなってぐらいすごく美味しいので、ぜひね作ってみんなで食べてみてください。これはね、ほんと味噌を見直してしまうぐらい、まだ